Oh no! Why did he do that? Whoa! It's even better than I imagined! Time to go big! Monster mode activated!
Out of the way! Emergency! Move! Move! Ready on the hose! Fire it up!
Wow! Hey, can I take a seat, please?
No way, kid! Go play with your toys!
Wait! Why are they so mean? I wish I had a car too.
Hey, champ. Why the long face? Come here.
He didn't let me play.
He laughed at me. Don't cry, son. We're gonna build something better. See all this? This is our secret weapon. Clear the way, little helper. Big project coming through. Whoa! Look at all the colors, Daddy!
Whoa!
Look at them all, my boy!
Aren't they something?
1, 2, 3.
We need a lot more, Dad. Here's the tool, Dad. Make it super strong. It fits perfectly.
Vroom, vroom! Looking good. Just a few more panels? The coolest fire truck in the world! Ready for a ride!
I'm a real firefighter now. Look at me, Dad. Whee! It's moving! It's really moving! Bye-bye, Dad! I'm gonna show my friends! Look out, world! The coolest car is coming through! Is that made of soda cans? That's unbelievable! My dad and I built it ourselves! It's super strong! Wanna hop in, Rabbit? Let's go for a spin!
Is this a car or a rolling trash bin? It looks pathetic!
It's not trash! It's better than your plastic toy!
What did you say? I'll show you what happens to trash!
Stop!
Watch out!
Oh no! No, no, no! My car!
Next time, stay in the recycling bin!
Daddy's hard work! It's all ruined! I'm so sorry. It was a beautiful car. I have to get it home. Why did he do that?
Oh my god! What happened?
He broke it, Dad! He crashed into us on purpose! Look at this!
They really trashed it. Dry your tears, son. We aren't done yet. Not even close. Grab your tools. It's time for a real upgrade.
Put it right here. We're starting from the ground up.
What's in there, Dad?
Is that Grandpa's box?
Whoa! It's glowing! Are those real gold gears?
This is the blueprint for a beast. We'll use the alloy cans for armor.
Let's do it, Dad! Let's make it the best ever!
Out with the old, in with the unbreakable. This armor will stop anything. No more dents.
I got the lights working! Look, Dad! It's blinking!
The body is set. It's starting to look like a monster now.
Added some lightning for extra speed. How does it look?
Safety first. You'll stay locked in, no matter what.
better than I imagined. System check. Oh. Everything is glowing. This is so cool. Water cannon online. Take that. Listen to that engine roar. Vroom, vroom.
You're a real pilot now. Go show him what you've got.
Here I come! Fasten your seatbelts! I can go anywhere with this. Nothing can stop me. What? What kind of monster truck is this?
I don't care. My car is still better.
Ouch! My car! It broke? Time to go big! Monster mode activated! Run! Run away! He's gonna crush us!
No, no, no! Don't get stuck now! Move!
Nowhere to go, bully! You're trapped!
I'm sorry. Please don't spray me. I'll never do it again.
Hold on! I'm gonna get you out of there! Come on! Almost there! Gotcha! Don't worry about it. Everyone needs a car wash sometimes.
Friends?
Friends! Let's start over!
Oh no. I think the motor is completely dead.
Forget that plastic toy! Wanna ride in a real fire truck? Wow! This seat is so comfortable! Let's go! Wait for us! We want to see the super truck too! This is the best day ever! Yeah! Super fast! Look! We're flying! We're actually flying! Look! Smoke! There's a fire at the rabbit's house! Duty calls! Let's save the day, partner!
Out of the way! Emergency! Move! Move! Ready on the hose! Fire it up! Mission accomplished! We did it, team!
The end is just the beginning. See ya, everyone!